Hello friends and welcome back to another captivating episode of Levitas, your main gateway to unlocking the secrets of optimal weight loss, health, and well-being. Today we embark on an exhilarating journey into the wildness of turmeric, a golden spice revered for its extremely potent healing properties. So come on and join us as we get ready to discover the transformative benefits of curcumin and revolutionize your health with Levitas. Exploring turmeric. Before we go deep into the remarkable benefits of curcumin, let's unravel the mysteries of turmeric itself. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice derived from the rhizomes of the Curcuma longa plant, native to South Asia. For centuries, turmeric has been prized for its culinary and medicinal uses, with its active compound curcumin stealing the spotlight for its impressive health benefits. Turmeric is more than just a spice, it's a powerhouse of healing and vitality. At the heart of its magic lies curcumin, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and medicinal properties that can transform your health from the inside out. Harnessing the power of curcumin. Now that we know what turmeric is, let's go deep into the top 6 benefits of curcumin and unlock its full potential for wellness. Benefit number 1. Anti-inflammatory wonder. Curcumin is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help alleviate inflammation throughout the body. By inhibiting inflammatory pathways and reducing the production of inflammatory molecules, curcumin can provide relief from conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and inflammatory bowel disease. Benefit number 2. Antioxidant champion. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant that scavenges free radicals and protects cells from oxidative damage. By neutralizing harmful molecules that cause cellular aging, malfunctioning, and disease, curcumin helps promote longevity and vitality. Benefit number 3. Heart health support. Curcumin has been shown to support heart health by improving cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and preventing the formation of blood clots. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also help protect against heart disease and stroke. Benefit number 4. Brain booster. Curcumin has neuroprotective properties that support brain health and cognitive function. It enhances brain-derived neurotrophic factor, shortly known as BDNF, a protein that promotes the growth and survival of neurons, leading to improved memory, focus, and mood. Benefit number 5. Digestive aid. Curcumin aids in digestion by stimulating bile production and promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes. It also helps alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders such as indigestion, bloating, and gas, making it a totally valuable ally for gastrointestinal health. Benefit number 6. Cancer prevention. Curcumin has shown a great promise in preventing and even treating certain types of cancer due to its ability to inhibit cancer cell growth and metastasis, induce apoptosis, which means inducing cancer cells' death, and suppress tumor development. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that curcumin may play a significant role in cancer prevention and treatment as well. How can you maximize curcumin absorption for better effects? While curcumin offers a myriad of health benefits, its absorption rate can be limited by poor solubility and rapid metabolism. Luckily, we can provide you with several strategies you can employ to enhance curcumin absorption and maximize its therapeutic effects. Combine with black pepper. Piperine, a compound found in black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption by inhibiting its rapid metabolism in the liver. Simply adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric-based dishes or taking a curcumin supplement with black pepper extract can significantly improve the absorption and benefits. Pair with healthy fats. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it's better absorbed when consumed with healthy dietary fat. Incorporating turmeric into dishes cooked with healthy fats such as coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, or avocado can enhance curcumin absorption and bioavailability. Choose liposomal formulations. Liposomal curcumin supplements basically are encapsulated curcumin within lipid molecules, improving its solubility and absorption. These specialized formulations ensure maximum delivery of curcumin to target tissues and cells for optimal therapeutic benefits. Enhancing curcumin absorption is key to unlocking its full therapeutic potential. By incorporating simple strategies such as pairing with black pepper or healthy fats, you can amplify the benefits of curcumin and optimize your weight loss, health, and well-being. How to select a quality supplement. When choosing a curcumin supplement, it's essential to select a high-quality product that delivers maximum potency and efficacy. Here are some factors for you to look for in a curcumin supplement. Purity. Look for supplements that are free from contaminants such as heavy metals, pesticides, starches, and additives. Third-party testing and certifications can ensure the purity and quality of the supplement. Bioavailability. Opt for supplements with enhanced bioavailability, such as liposomal formulations or those containing black pepper extract, known as piperine as well, to ensure optimal absorption and effectiveness. Dosage. Follow the recommended dosage guidelines provided by the manufacturer or consult with your head healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs and health goals. You may start with 500 to 1,000 milligrams a day. Start your curcumin journey today. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of curcumin, let's embark on a journey to integrate this golden spice into your daily life. Here are some practical tips to help you reap the rewards of curcumin. Tip number 1. Golden milk. Start your day with a warm cup of golden milk, a soothing beverage made with turmeric, milk, or plant-based milk, a bit of honey, and spices such as cinnamon and ginger. This ancient Ayurvedic remedy is not only delicious but also a potent source of curcumin. Tip number 2. Cook with it. By simply adding turmeric and black pepper into your foods, you are helping your body into achieving the desired outcomes that you seek for. Try using a tablespoon of turmeric or more per day, and always mix it with a bit of black pepper and some healthy fats such as avocados and extra virgin olive oil. Tip number 3. Turmeric shots. Incorporate turmeric shots into your daily routine by blending fresh turmeric root with lemon, ginger, and a pinch of black pepper for enhanced absorption. Take a shot each morning to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and vitality. Tip number 4. Curcumin supplements. Consider adding a high-quality curcumin supplement to your daily regimen to ensure consistent intake of this powerful compound. Choose a supplement that meets your specific needs and preferences, whether it's a liposomal formulation, black pepper extract, or simply standard curcumin capsules. Start the curcumin journey now and leverage its amazing benefits. By embracing and taking full advantage of the power of curcumin and integrating it into your daily routine, you're not just creating a great habit and enhancing your health. You're embarking on a journey of full-body transformation and vitality. With each spoon or shot of this golden spice, you're nurturing your body, mind, and spirit and unlocking the full potential of your well-being, helping you to achieve your fitness goals easier and at the same time becoming the new best, stronger, and healthier version of yourself. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.